Like clockwork, in almost every single one of our videos, we get comments saying, why would you still drive for Lyft and Uber? I quit driving for Lyft and Uber years ago. You can't do it. As someone that's been driving rideshare for 10 years, I'm proof that you can do it. So let's address these negative commenters today. Really quickly, if you have yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link will be in the description. So first off, don't get me wrong, we appreciate the views, we appreciate the engagement. Keep lurking, keep the comments coming. But I do have a question for those of you always making these negative comments saying that it's not possible to do rideshare, or why would those of us that are doing rideshare continue to do it? What is the purpose of your negative comments? Maybe you are still current drivers and you're trying to deter new drivers from coming on the platforms. Or maybe you just have nothing better to do with your time than comment in our comment section on every video and let us know that you don't think rideshare is feasible. For me personally, I think it's a waste of energy and a waste of time. There are a lot of us that are still doing rideshare, that enjoy rideshare, that want to get better at doing rideshare. We want to evolve. We want to try to make rideshare better for everyone. We want to try to advocate for drivers. That's why we have this channel. We want to inform. We want to share our experience. We want to try and push the ball forward for drivers. We want to try to make the environment better for drivers. And of course, we get a lot of positive comments as well. We appreciate those. We appreciate those of you that are coming to the channel to try and learn, to try to evolve your rideshare experience, to try and work smarter, not harder. So why do those of us continue to choose to still drive rideshare? Because we do actually enjoy it. We do actually enjoy the flexibility. We may enjoy meeting new people. We may enjoy the variety. We may enjoy driving in general. But yes, as with any line of work, there are negatives. It's not perfect. It's not always going to be perfect. Plain and simple, how we're currently paid with upfront fares is not a good thing. You can't just turn the app on like we used to back in the old days and just earn at the same level as every other driver on the road. But those of us that are driving, we need to be educated. We need to know how much we're worth. We need to not accept every single ride. But yes, the upfront fare calculation does need to go, and that's why we continue to advocate for that on this channel constantly. But while the fare is still being calculated upfront, we need to massage the algorithm. We need to know what a ride should be worth to us and accept it based on those requirements. But overall, I feel like those of you that actually want to do rideshare, want to try to improve, come to our channel, watch our videos, evolve your rideshare driving, you don't care about those negative commenters. You learn to tune them out just as much as I do. And again, for those of you that are making these negative comments, we appreciate the views and we appreciate the engagement. But those of you that want to leave positive comments, why don't we bombard the video with all those positive comments down below. Share why you became a rideshare driver, why you still drive rideshare, how long you've been following the Rideshare Guy, why you come to the Rideshare Guy channel to watch our videos. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free weekly newsletter and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on my first week of driving with rides, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.